When was the last time that you truly listened to yourself? When was the last time you were in a place where you could hear the silence, where you could connect with nature, feel the rocks, sense the trees, the moss, all of the nature around you? When you do such a thing, when you step outside of the familiar, when you choose to move beyond your comfort zone, move beyond the noise that characterizes the mind and everyday life, that's the moment from which you reconnect with something else. Your heart center is waiting. It will wait forever for you because it doesn't know time the way you do. Do yourself a favor. Get back into nature. Rediscover why you exist right now.